Ever wondered what it takes to rule the road on two wheels safely? Today, journey with us on a 10-step exploration of motorcycle operator training best practices. Kickstarting our journey, step 1 is all about understanding your ride. Every motorcycle is unique, with different controls and characteristics. Familiarize yourself with the machine's controls, its weight distribution, and its unique quirks. The better you know your motorcycle, the better you can respond to different road situations. Moving on to step 2, posture plays a pivotal role. Maintaining the correct riding posture not only ensures comfort but also enhances control and reduces fatigue. Keep your body relaxed, grip the handlebars lightly, and remember to keep your feet on the foot pegs even while turning or stopping. Step 3 delves into mastering the art of braking. Both the front and rear brakes play different roles. Applying both brakes in the right proportion ensures safer stops. Practice progressive braking to make your stops smoother and safer. Step 4 is about learning to shift gears smoothly. The key here is timing. Practice shifting up and down through the gears, matching your engine's speed with your road speed. Smooth gear changes reduce wear on your motorcycle and make your ride more enjoyable. On to step 5, we explore the importance of observation. Stay aware of your surroundings, watch out for other road users, and anticipate possible hazards. Regularly checking your mirrors and blind spots can save you from potential accidents. Step 6 focuses on cornering. Many motorcycle accidents happen during cornering due to incorrect technique. Remember to slow down before the corner, look through the turn, and lean your body into the curve. Step 7 is about practicing emergency maneuvers. Swerving or stopping suddenly can be dangerous if not done correctly. Practice these maneuvers in a controlled environment to be prepared for real-world situations. Step 8 is all about understanding road conditions. Wet or gravelly roads, potholes, and road debris all affect your motorcycle's handling. Learn to recognize and respond to different road conditions to keep your ride safe. Step 9 emphasizes the importance of maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Tailgating can lead to accidents. Always keep sufficient space between your motorcycle and the vehicle in front to give yourself enough time to react. Finally, step 10 encourages regular motorcycle maintenance. A well-maintained motorcycle is a safe motorcycle. Regular checks of tire pressure, brake fluid levels, and lights can prevent unexpected breakdowns and accidents. To summarize, mastering motorcycle safety involves understanding your ride, maintaining the correct posture, mastering braking and gear shifting, staying observant, cornering safely, practicing emergency maneuvers, understanding road conditions, maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles, and regular maintenance of your motorcycle. Each step plays a crucial role in ensuring a safer, smoother, and more enjoyable ride. Keep these 10 steps in mind every time you ride, and you'll not only become a better rider, but you'll also make the road safer for everyone. So, gear up, ride safe, and enjoy the journey.